The rain fell heavily outside the house.
I wanted to play outside today.
Let's help Mom bake cookies instead.
Perfect timing. I was just starting to bake. Look at the rain. It's pouring outside today.
What does pouring mean, Mom?
Pouring means water falls down fast, like rain from the sky.
Mom, what makes that bright light outside?
Hello? Oh, hello, Cindy.
I'm calling to check on the kids on this rainy day.
First, we need to mix flour and sugar in this big bowl.
I'm doing it. Look, Mom, I'm pouring the flour.
I'm mixing it really fast. Is it supposed to look like this?
Perfect. You both did a great job mixing. This dough looks wonderful.
Can you teach them words like stormy, thunder, and lightning?
Stormy means very dark clouds. Thunder is the loud sound. Lightning is the bright flash.
I know. It's stormy. I hear thunder. I see lightning.
It's stormy outside. The rain is pouring down.
We need to make it flat so we can cut cookie shapes. I want to make star cookies. Can I use the big ones too? Look at my star. It's perfect. Did you see, Jack?
Now we wait for them to bake. They will be ready soon.
Almost got it. This faucet has been leaking for days.
Yes, they are wonderful helpers. Anna learned new weather words today.
That's wonderful. Learning new words makes me so happy.
The timer will ring when the cookies are ready. We need to wait 12 minutes.
Oh no! The lights went out!
It's okay, sweeties. It's just a power outage. We are safe inside.
Mom, what about our cookies? Are they going to be okay?
Good news! The oven is electric, but it has its own power. The cookies are still baking.
Perfect. No more leak. Now the bathroom is fixed.
The timer, it's ringing. Our cookies are ready.
Look how beautiful they are. We made these together.
Daddy, look, we baked cookies and you fixed the faucet.
Cindy, the cookies are ready. Can the kids tell you about the weather?
I would love that. Let me hear what they learned.
Cindy, today is stormy. I know what thunder and lightning mean.
And I poured the flour. We mixed the dough. Can I tell you about the cookies?
You are all such wonderful learners. I am so proud of you.
The power is back. Look, the lights are on again.
They look so good. I can't wait to eat one.
Let me taste this. Wow, these are the best cookies ever.
These cookies are delicious. We are such good bakers.
Thank you, Mom. This was the best rainy day ever. The rain stopped and the sun came out again.
Tomorrow we can play outside. I can't wait.
Say cheese. We are the best rainy day helpers.
Goodbye, everyone. You are wonderful today. Take care.
Cleaning up is fun. Let's make it a game.
Tomorrow will be sunny. We can play in the backyard and have a picnic.
I love rainy days when we bake cookies together.
The rainy day helpers learned that every day is special when we help each other. Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.